wakwa wa njira njigwe ni twehanda kana ni twacokereria o wega ni njitagwo Njeri wa Ndung'u Nyarari kuma Naikuru na twina mundu ugwitwo
Uni wa Mwangi the Duke from Kiambu kama kawaida
no muthi tukiri na mugeni wa gitio ni Nyarari thaka ni mukimuonaga aingĩ nĩ mamũĩ we are very privileged umuthi kugia na Nyarari thaka muno ngwenda etambũre na marĩtwa make.
Kwa marĩtwa njĩtagwo Milika Wambui. Yes.
Gĩkĩiĩ
Godofia.
Karibu sana guko gwitũ kwa Njĩra Njigwe. Nĩ Njĩra Njigwe?
Njĩra Njigwe.
Exactly.
Niĩ ngũĩ Godofia no aingĩ ona aingĩ makũĩ ũguo ithe tiguo. Rĩu tũkwenda tu wambie wĩtagwo atĩa, ũciarĩirwo kũ, na waingĩrire kwa dada Sara kana mĩthako-inĩ ya ngerekano rĩ?
Toguo ndaiga njĩtagwo Milika Wambui. Njiarĩirwo kũ? Njiarĩirwo Kawangware. Njiarĩirwo Kawangware. But ngarererwo kũndũ gwĩtagwo Thĩrũ. And ndambĩrĩirie mĩthako ya ngerekano 2015. Yeah, but that was acting before I got into comedy.
Koguo nĩ gwĩkora kana nĩ gũciarwo nako kana nĩ gwĩkora no menya rĩmwe mũikarangĩte ũguo nĩwonaga ũgakorwo na maũndũ mahana harĩa ũkona anga no ngorwo ngĩact kana kaũndũ ta kau wathire atĩa hau rĩu?
No tũthubanirie gwĩkora na gũciaranĩrwo. Sometimes nĩ ũkinyaga handũ kaga alternative ũgakora nĩ ũreka, but honestly I think nĩ ndaciaranĩirwo nayo.
Yeah.
Wĩ cukuru nĩ waingĩrire clubs ici ciarĩ cia mĩthako kana?
Ndikũhenania njuge nĩ ndaingĩrĩte. I think I started after ndarĩkia form 4 nĩguo ndambĩrĩirie ũhoro wa acting.
Basically ngĩũrio rĩ nyendaga kũhana ta ndĩrahava conversation ndigakorwo tarĩ ciũria ndĩrakũria mũno kana ũkorio ciũria ũkaigua haha ũgatwĩra tũkaigua rĩmwe ũgatwĩra maũndũ marĩa like out of acting tuge rĩmwe ndũra-act ũkoragwo ũgĩka atĩa ta rĩu tũkĩhava conversation?
Apart from acting ndĩ mwana biashara. Ndĩ mwana biashara, nĩ ndutaga biashara ya kwendia nguo na bills at the same time.
Okay.
Na ndutaga biashara. Yeah.
Kwa dada Sara rĩ tondũ ũgĩtagwo Godofia wa dada Sara role ĩyo rĩ role ĩyo mũgĩũka kũgaĩrwo role ta icio rĩ nĩ kũrora marora character ya mũndũ ũrĩa angĩact kana wĩragwo bothake hanini wonekane ũrĩa ũngĩkorwo kana gũthiaga atĩa?
Okay, what happened ni dada Sara nĩ marĩ na kĩndũ gĩtagwo auditionings. So we went for the auditions. To the auditions a number specific people mendaga. So from the specific number ningĩ magĩcoka makĩruta andũ angĩ tũgĩtugwo tũrĩ erĩ. So hau nĩho endaga mũiru. So ngĩkĩonera role yakwa hau.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. Rĩu niĩ tuge niĩ nĩ gũkũra ndĩrakũra kana ũcemanie na kana gakwĩroragĩra kuga niĩ no nyende gũtuĩka ta Godofia, niĩ no nyende gũthakaga, ũngĩmwĩra ambie kwĩruta cukuru kana ũngĩmwĩra ũndũ ũyũ nĩ ũgũkũra thĩinĩ wa ũngĩmwĩra atĩa?
Okorwo nĩ ũreciria wĩ ready kana okorwo wĩ mwana na nĩ ũreciria wĩ ready, just start it. Mũndũ njugaga mũndũ oyaga a step when you're ready. If you're ready ambĩrĩria rũgendo. Yes.
Mũikarĩte ũguo rĩ tuge ta rĩu thaa ici no menya Kenya maũndũ ũrĩa mathiaga makaritũha, tuge nĩkĩ gĩgũkenagia? Tuge we wĩ comedian thaa ici he comedies we ũkoragwo ũkĩrorera ũkauga atĩrĩrĩ no nyende no menya kila I think ngenda ku understand everybody has that part ama something eroragĩra akauga atĩrĩrĩ ingĩ up my game na ingĩkorwo ndĩra up my game ingĩenda gũkorwo ngĩkinya levels ta ici. He kĩho gĩkoragwo like gĩbindio ugaga hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ndĩ down haha nĩho ndĩroragĩra kana ũthiĩ ũkagwatia ciaku kanji kwĩrorera ũcio wĩthekie?
Niĩ ngiuga atĩ to be specific ndikoragwo into field ya Gĩkũyũ tu, koguo ndina mentors kadha wa kadha taru mundu jetete muno ni Njugush the famous Njugush ni jigua comedy ciake kijaka ndoragira andu tacio like mostly you'll find in Kitafta Njugush yes
lakini sometimes you on a very nomenya rimwe ino ironeka tari a very serious interview tondu we mwenyewe uroneka rimwe hana ta we serious ni ukoragwo we serious uguo kwi mwe ni uhahura gado ni kwanza na tuga atiriri ungikorana na Godofia andu faragithii uguo no ria andu metikagira Kenyan celeb aniguo mangigwitigira tondu rimwe uthia we serious niki kana ukoragwo we serious uguo tha ciothe
gani mumbire gani mumbire but I think as we continue everything will be okay
ona gwenda atiriri no menya gwenda riwira eroreri ani ukoragwo we serious in real time kana magi gukora macemanie nawe hana ta we serious mamenye nduri we serious mathi kura
okay he kindu gitagwo personality na he character kiria monaga Godofia ni character no he kindu gitagwo personality that is now me.
Do you love living in your character or in your personality?
I love being me.
You love being you?
Yeah.
But you
me is not Godofia ni Tawabui. Yes.
We Tawabui. Ni hota ku differentiate ndo icio kana rimwe we nyumba ni
tukanagirwo
uga flip ugekora riu no
gekora ni Godofia. Well Asha unless maybe I'm in character but Asha
kwanyure okay ndio kama ciaranirwo muri andu taigana uguo but no we actor kana ni kuri angi in that field
family ituri no juge ni kuri no ndikomagwetana maritwa
au akugwetana maritwa ri amena no ikorwo wewe ndo ulijipata tu kwa the acting whatever kwa the acting field but it's a talent that comes from the family
turi arathime considering andu ako act wametoka wengi sana kwetu but turi arathime ni twendete muno acting tumeubanerio nayo yes
so it's like a flow ni kindu gikumaga
ta generational
kware-ini ria tumite ri kakware kau niguo tukoragwo
ugicoka kurora back ugicoka thutha ndio kani by the way ni we bari anyu we bari na mena noge wabui wa kuma bari ya
Asha ndikuga nijui horo wa bari muno no nijui he handu ndaimire
ugakware kau ri ugakware riu hau umire ri tungiurio no hote gucoka thutha umenye ta generation cigana ciari cia actors and actresses ucoke uge atiriri taru generation ya uge
tano ya kana
cio ni ndu kwanza
atiriri no harito he but I think from maybe venye najua shosho yangu from tuge kumago shosho dionire tari na kiheo kiu tondu twakimukorire ni mukuru but my aunties
shosho anyu uria wakorire tuge uria wakorire tatu aroka kuhoya mwaki kwanyu angiahoire atia taria take uria angiokire kuhoya mwaki kwanyu angiugire atia mo represent Wambui mwakitie angiugire atia
kai diwe nakedige kuhenania no hote kareta susu mukuru but I think it can be an African mom
nice now ekeru tugicoke tata wanyu nioka ni uma Nairobi we tata wa Nairobi umete Nairobi no wakora mararuga tu na cumbe na gitunguru na ni ukwendaga spices ta complain dagika imwe
no ide character complain ta Godofia kana
uri riu ndendo complain ta African mom kana auntie kana Godofia any Diana Godofia complain nyingire into character wewe twatia ni murugi ni ngurugaga
uretwara ku
munio
munio ndahera irio we need to have a conversation.
Ici ndirakurehera wa ici irio ndakunengera.
Okay. Ene ke moni yo irio ici itare na kiria itare kiona roiko
kaikoragwo na roiko guku tukira gitunguru tu na kiria na nyanya
mwiretwo no moni yo na roiko ni ndagurire moni yo
iyo wokie nayo ri tatoire
tata kioya moni yo gagiciria ndiuwi ni indo ciakwa wendagia
niona tinie tata koya ri augire kumitwara ngakuria kianda ati kagwa titikega na miri itu
moni yo gwika uguo na ihenya ikira iratu ngutware kwi mutungatiri tondu mbego ya wici ni kuingirite moni yo woyete maundu mothe guku nginya roiko moni yo
wow
aya now
okay
now before we go to the next okay kai go sejete
Kejewe ni watu different
before we go to the next acting haria kinyite thaa ici tuge acting ya Kenya hena undu ngenda ukorwo ugicenjia tuge he maundu maria ukoretwo ugikorana namo in the industry taru we wita Godofia ugathie watuika for you to get a character no ngina witio kindu kana undu tocio ni ukoranite na maundu tamacio in the industry
ni tukoranite namo kana ugakora maybe ni wathi waruta handu wira and those people magagi gutwaro na even maybe the movie kana whatsoever ni ya tukire aired so me gwira what hurts ni ukoroku you find that ni uraheana kiria we nakio but you don't get what you need to get in
so you're giving the talent 100% you're giving your all no in return nikio tarona na kiria wagirwo ni gukorwo kiona
ni another thing to this upcoming artist ukakora maybe ni ora upcome but no muhaka uhakane niguo hote kuheo ka platform keho without money talent yaku ndingihota ku grow so people adwa itwa nene aria mukoragwo you in the industry not wede please onakorwo no corruption punguzeni tondu ni twi mutingitigari mutige punguze
imekuwa too much
hekirio ni ngenda muno njeriorie ni atu explainagira gatwira atiri rimwe in the industry as a lady ni mugeragira maundu maingi muno ungifrisk uria kiuga atia
tugeta riria urathie ni wetu ni a certain company na ni weko interview ni woko no before woetu ri ni arenda mukome nake ni utunganite na maundu ta macio
ni mahanikaga ona ti industry no yitu tu ni mahanikaga I think let's generalize it todo I think ciombe ici ciombirwo ni Ngai he kahitilafu makoragwo nako kana kwiyona because I think pia ni kutumia mwanamke vibaya it's happening but ni njugaga atiriri it will happen to you if ni wetikira ndugetikire gutwika victim ithu ni ithu tumehete the power to do what they wanna do tondu akorire wa mbere agitikira agikora wa kiri agitikira wa mbere agiraregire ri wa kiri ndangirakorirwo so ona ithuĩ tutige gutwika victims
kogo haria bado no uge uria ndirageria kuigua atiriri ni hakorwo na kulegeza kwihokoroka na the okay tuge
ladies
hena kulegeza magoka magakinya itawatia nio marakorwo rimwe magituma maundu mathie na mbere
well need of desperation na kwaga kindu gitagwo alternative ungiaga alternative taru for instance you are the breadwinner na nurona ha hena possibility ya kugia wira ucio ukaga alternative but kindu gukwira na onongiaga alternative one day one time he mundu guka uku replace na no kaikio ja koguo kafa just to stand on your stand
okay otuthitio hau YouTube ita platform ri amenya muno andu maramenyerete guthie makambuni-ini manene TV stations ugakora mainstream media no yerauga do you think YouTube gukorwo a platform irakorwo open ni teithitie muno andu aria me around like upcoming artists do you think YouTube is a platform ikoretwo giteithiriria muno
no juge ni irateithĩrĩria because I think it's the only platform where you don't have to go and give out money for you kuchukuliwa. So yeah, YouTube na let's be not even like tutige ku generalize na YouTube.
Yes.
Social media platforms they have been of great help. Tuge for instance tani maybe nyabetia kumenyekana ni udwa social media platforms. If it were for me waiting kuonekana TV ni kana kuigweka radio ni it would have been hard. So social media platforms ni iteithĩtie.
Alafu we otuthite oguo mundu ni athiaga kimenyekana wakorwo ta riu ni twakora nayo ni ngumenyo ni Godofia. Do you get treated differently kana ukona atiriri wakorwo na pressure ya kuona nima tariu ndaiguaga mundu ta I think everybody knows her tagwate Shiro wa Rugongo ritwa riake Nice wa Njeri Nice Njeri ucio riu we ni tuonaga tariu he hindi ati athiite kwao after first episode athie kwa akigira ngari-ini cia guthi kwao akiheo gasambaza karia gaikaragia ngari-ini njihuru ari akiheo kau ati oririo atiriri ati kana uyo ka guikara na ithie guku na nitumuona TV-ini ni ukoragwo na pressure teo ya kuona andu ni marona ta mbeca ile nyingi muno makuona TV-ini na tiguo kuri ni ukoragwo na pressure icio ni ukoranaga na maundu ta macio.
Well, it happens. Not need go kiuga ngire na ngumo guo, but well, it happens. I think guhena naga story da dithembe no gicagi.
Yes.
Ni urakora hega treatment uraheo tondu ni maramenya no kuma kanyamu tari. Ni urakora hena special treatments, but pia nejigwete na aria tuikaranagia nao celebrities ukaigwa mundu akiuga no ni thiana matatu ukaigwa mauga ona.
Yes.
One thing I want to tell you is that content creator ucio ndari na tofauti nawe. It's just that onake na mafataro tio wetu like todo mundu onaga maybe you have made your first million makauga mundu ucio ni mutongu onake na mafataro make wakorana na mundu munene kariwo niki atari na ngari mafataro we na mafataro make na koguo tutige kuma treat differently tondu ni twamona magikarira sambaza ni twamona magika tondu kuia akingigira ka hoteli-ini haria kibandaski ni kuigwa ngai no wona Godofia arari ya boss as if it's not kido normal na to our content creators on either to normalize tondu nikio turakora tiriri kuna a lot of peer pressure out here ukenda ku act uria utari ugakiona maybe no joe kagari karuni joke hande mukenie kana ngahaya gakari joke hande mukenie ndio munitambue. Just be you. Be you and be yourself. Tondu no ngenda ati andu ngihota gukenia andu.
Okay. Na apart from we guthaka guku kwa Dada Sarah ri ni kuko ngiothakite?
Ni thakite Central Cinema, nijikite Central Cinema na bado nijikaga movie kadha wa kadha. Ni thaici ngitwe nayo ni Kigosho FM ireta ithako ria ngerekano radio show. Yes.
Okay. Na riu haria ukuhutiriirie ukauga ati kwina peer pressure rakorwo kuo. When uri wekora wi peer pressure ini yo tondu na ningi ugicokagio hau no wikore hindi no ndu marathi na mbere na peer pressure no ri ni teithagia kandi teithagia tondu ariri no me handu mugaga fake it till you make it handu matumiraga that notion ya fake it till you make it tariu gugatuika ni wa fake no kana we big shot koguo next time the show ire riuka next ni ugetwo ugakora hindi uri fake muno ri niguo ra get more shows when uri wekora hau kana no me andu maingi mugaga ningi wakira gugatuika riu ni worire wone kana hari iguru muno niguo woyagwo muno wonaga guthia atia hau
ni ugo fake tondu riu ri well kido andu matoe mundu no mundu tariu thaici ige kuhe milioni 10 ri ucihuthire ri a time will come ithweta kana let's lottery ushide lottery ukore wina 10 million no 10 million icio no ucirekie maybe with an year no ithe expectation ito tanduri is that you're still a millionaire. No besha ciaku ni ciakire atia. Kogo you'll always want to prove to us that you are still a millionaire. Todo heka life ka period kau ka 1 year heka life wahota kwihe ni twakuona na gikari ni wagura mugunda handu besha cieka atia. Kogo we still believe that you are a millionaire. No, that is the same thing that will happen na content creators. Ni wakinya handu nwambia kuhe auto gigs kadha wa kadha mugagitura mugiciragia uria we have made it in life but we have not made it in life. Ithwe na ithwe tuwe mahali tunajisugua tunafikia but nyinyi mnatuona with another eye. One guthiaga uguo mundu wakwa. You will fake it my friend, you will fake it. Ona weta tha icio ngithie gicagi ni fekaga ni go fake uguraga kirato kieru niki by the way ni wathie ndithemba gwa soso ri umuthiagira na shopping niki na gwaku maguta nduri Jashe ni gucokia ki Jashe kwanza hari ari tafadhali ndonire akigurania muno ndithemba nuraonire ndonire. People out here we are really and not only to content creators, everybody out here is faking it, is living with a mask. Hena ka mask ado marekira ni taru ni ri ingetua guka haha uria ndikagira gwa kwa ndera ri ene ndingioka uguo. You see, I'll fake it. Okoro ni ndenda guthi platform, another bigger platform ene ni ngugura nguo njeru mwecire ni guo ngoragwo not iguo ngoragwo and maybe even it's for hire. No, so in this life you just need to fake it so that you can make it. So ado kugotura turamenya ado kila mundu akona ka maski he maski by the way kila mundu ekiraga irio tangiuma rucini handu ohana uria uma uria wiyonire wi wa mbere ri tiguo mundu wothe umaga. Koguo nima nindetikania nawe. Industry ino ri ni tukoretwo tukiona ta mkurugenzi naona mkuru naona mkuru ukona andu ta Butita ukona andu ta Jugush niki giki content ino twikaga ya Gikuyu ri ingike kinye level icio tondu andu acio me on another level. Consistency ya ukona ni njega ukona ni mara welcome wega muno kuri oguo nja. Niki giki ungiuga ati ithuĩ ta Kikuyu content creators tungika tuhote gukinya level ya mundu ta mkurugenzi? Kwĩtekia na kujituma. Ni wameta consistency no ni ta kwĩtekia na kujituma because ona ugitweka na consistency na nduretuma no wira watuho. Alafu ukoragwo na mentality kari atiriri ati I can go anywhere. No, mimi naweza fika mahali popote. Guhena example na nigethi ko audition Dada Sara. Gikuyu gyakwa gitikoragwo fluent. So ni ndonaga andu aria tutware more than 100 people. Koguo ni ndonaga probability of ni kuoyewo kidogo apana kidogo zi. But dathiere ni ndekiririe hinya ta wa boy ngira Miley, you can do anything. No, there is nothing impossible. Immediately we mwenyewe we kuwa naona na nekegwire nobody out here is gonna clap for you apart from you. No ungihota gwiclapira koguo immediately ndairire ni nguhotari ni ndathire no ngiona alafu at that time ari live ukaigwa ake makihutokio ake makerosha makigira atiriri ucio ena content no Gikuyu kidogo kena mshike ni ndetetikie ndigihota kuoyo but maidaga first of all the first 10 people gikiona from the first 10 people dokirena bakenda giuga kumbe hata mimi si mbaya kumbe hata mimi si mbaya but ni donaga from adwaya nigikomire kidogo nitauma inje but geekira hinya it's all a matter of believing in you. Okoro ndukuhota kwi believe in you stop whatsoever you are doing abia gwika undugi tondu gutire mundu ona mamu wanyu do wikira to kiu kirakuhinya to what extreme, so you have to believe in yourself you make it. So ni twagikinyire hado tugicagura turieri and I was among the first people so gitwika wa mbere no cio gitwika wa kere. Koguo it's all a matter of kujituma na kujiamini. No tuthie kuraya content ya Gikuyu squeeze Gikuyu ni international anthem.
Nima andu angi ona ukinya handu njigua ati ungithio ndiukane tungithi kundu ona ume haha uthita muru tajashi uria thia na gukongarisa anga no yokawe Mugikuyu no auga ni akora Gikuyu angiathi na ku ni kwao anyway jashi ku ni kwao Garissa ona Garissa na kuria kure mahuragwo na bomb anyway auga ni kuria Gikuyu atungigathi handu wage Mugikuyu umenye hatire bia nima
niguo
no we niguo we have to embrace our Kikuyu tondu riu ri ona tiga guthi kundu kungi thaici nginya andu ni marebundithia Gikuyu ndiokire kumenya nicely urathi kuu na ni andu a Somali and whatsoever nurakora we mwega marang'eng'ana kumenya Gikuyu giki and to top it up nurakora mundu ti Mugikuyu no ni araingira content ine ya Gikuyu na akalike ukarigwo anyitire atia Gikuyu kiu so Kikuyu sai na kimbia
yes nita handu hangi ndonire atiriri ati handikitwo ati Swahili dishes no ari hari yareheanga Wambui wale habesa inaitwa Swahili dishes Swahili dishes wakiria gipilao hagokoria mama nilipe ngapi yokae
unangoja Abdalla
unangoja Abdalla unapata Wambui naam anyway otuthiete oguo ri ni maundu mariku maria ithuĩ twĩciragia ta mwiroreri maria no me heka undu mwiroreri eciragia koragwo nako hakiri-inĩ nĩ maundu mariku ũngĩmwĩra atĩrĩrĩ tiguo guo mwĩciragia no me he maundu maingĩ ndikuga ta ndi mwiroreri ndikwaria hakwa ndenda uge atĩrĩrĩ wena haku with your view nĩ kaundu kariku mwiroreri angĩkorwo nako areciria no tiguo
ni I think uria ndanyita ri I will base it on character tari uguo ndoka mweciria mugigokora Godofia mukenuku there is an expectation you have warora character ya mundu ukona mundu uyu woka haha ni gutuchangamshira show mugagikora horereire uguo horereire na hatiri undu mugweka tondu horagirira uguo so he expectation mundu akoragwo nayo ni undu wa character iria we wahota go portray social media platform ni kana TV ni kogo ni ukoraga taru ri no ke ugigiciragia for instance let me use mental show wako dada Sara no weciria okahane gukira pitisha thono ukore the person you see behind the screen
is not totally different
so ni ukoraga andu makiuga no korana na mundu kora ni aretwa
by the way
but adu matira get the fact that apart from you being in character there is another persona behind hiyo ndio I think a lot of hiyo ndio difficulty
by the way ni njiguaga kaingi manuga atiriri ndukanende commit your hero nona tha ciothe taru wathi wakora na mundu taru ni njugaga kaingi the first time I met a person called Charisma the way he received me ata kunitoa ndetigirire ni ona ndigeithagia celeb nditigiraga muno tondu kuria ndonire ni ta kaundu kehoge kagwo ni ngari cia rufa cia ruiru matitikagiria mundu ikare hau mbere okoro we ti muiretu ruiru rufa inyuĩ kwanza no ungikorwo mangai uko we ti muiretu riu ndakite atiriri gakiuma hwaini tauni gathi kwihingurithia murango manderirwo nyingire hau thutha afu hari na tuiretu twari hau ndaconokire ndahilu kuma hindi yo na rofa mugie mutwe na ndogo uguo anyway nouga wega muno hau uga ati hekire ithuĩ twĩroragira na tukona na he character iria tuge riu Godofia ni ta office yaku niguo na riu Wambui riu niwe na uga wenda guikara character ni ya Wambui muno ino ngiumirehaga time ya show na no Godofia tu kana waheo character ingi ni ukuoya character no miurage uria uraga geria yake cause you kill it on Godofia umeoyaga ni tiki
characters de nyingi characters de nyingi ona maybe no de ni character
by the way again to go or wearing mask everybody has mask
maybe ona no de ni characters tu nyingi nake gucokeria handu wauga horo wa mwita Kariu Charisma gukwira atiriri mundu ucio sai kwa life yake we tiwe fan tu
yes
ena fan
aige
na umenye na umenye before umpate ni agutangitwo ni aingi ino we ni tuthiaga handu na group ya dada Sara ugagikora mwathi kuria ona ni unogaga eta mundu ni ukunoga but people marenda you just be jovial wana na mundu wana na mundu wana na mundu nitumaga mundu kinye ka elasticity ke hoka enough is enough
ndaboeka
uko na tari attitude nikyo agwikiria no ndukaiwe uru
nikyo agari uri nguhil nona after ru ndaikara nawe haha ndaigua kaundu kau nigakoraga andu ndahil nimekusamehe mzai wewe mzee nimekusamehe
mu understand tondu muturire wake ri every single time akienda nje anapatana na watu tofauti day in day out na umenye andu aya othe tofauti akoranaga nao ri mena different type of character so katuhurwo bisa age they use abusive words koguo ukamu understand tondu ndowe nia yaku ona we
nafani age jigua ngina ni magwitaga tio ni magwiko uke wikare metha yao
you see
wale authi makuga ni weteire
harafu kono ria gwitia na nitho tutumete akinyete ha
ni uri werwo ni witite ni uri waigua ugituika we ni witiaga ni uri werwo uguo ngina kwanyu gicagi kana kindu takio
ni nditiaga ona magikiuga
no ni uri werwo ni uri waigua handu kamuhuka ruga atiriri na ngai wa mbui mae ni gwitagwo atia gwitia na ritwa ringi
wana ringa
etuire
you expect onokoro we ina content kana nduri content creator kana if you in character or not ona thaa ici tungikorana nawe handu ri twikaranie nawe ri eno we no ngugeithia unjire nkule mambo uniambie poa no thie na mbere na kurora thimu yaku no nguga ni gwitia
ni ma
o mundu e perspective yake ya gwitia but as long as ni we ri
flow nayo na riu uguo wewe industry-inĩ na nĩ ũmenyete maũndũ maingĩ nĩ waktĩte Godofia no uga nĩ wĩkĩte kĩ nĩ ũroikara thĩ ũgeciria no ũke na production yaku kana no wĩke kaũndũ tuge no wambie mĩthako yaku no wambie kĩndũ nĩ ũreciria kaũndũ ta kau
nĩ ndĩndeciria na ti rĩmwe I think kĩndũ ũbanĩirwo nakĩo rĩ nĩ gĩtũmaga you just take another step no iguaga ndikinyite and that's why iguaga mundu ina baithikiri endaga ngari mundu wa ngari endaga kĩndũ kwogo okorwo nĩ ũbanĩirwo na kĩndũ kĩu rĩ nĩ wĩiguaga heka limit kuna limit bado hujafika tarau Njugush ni mentor wakwa ni no nyende gukinya hau no bado anaona
bado
sijafika kwogo ni hari kaundu nurenda gu take a step
do you think handu mundu akinya akauga I've gotten enough
no
you
no,
we personally na ngitingia no we personally ri he handu no ukinyie ugi ati this is enough for me
wambo uri ajoi ri
kogo we no ngina wende kugira na
any from one grace to another niguo mundu endaga
we wita wa boy ona tuge kana ngina ndore mugithakaga nao ungigeta na opportunity tugeri haria ura have kuruga mundu no muruge like ndiruga atiriri
kana no nduge mundu
no uruge mundu just for a certain opportunity ri urenda
kuruga mundu
kumkana
witagwo atia ta gutoka mundu kai ndiretha ritwa riu tariu we mugubangite guthie behind the back kustab mundu at the back niguo get
nigetha ye ahe opportunity uyu game
ni ra depend ya bia shiga no ne twihenagia okay what I do I wouldn't stab but I would grab the opportunity to donake how to grab the opportunity so I would grab the opportunity if it comes atena turi arata ono korwo tureta na best friends eneo nawe ni urenda eneo na nini ndirenda monya kona mbio ashike hiyo kitu asonge naye
nice hema undu meho makoretwo meho very controversial especially in this industry na itokoretwo ni ukoretwo TikTok ni ukoretwo Facebook ni ukoretwo all social media platforms heka undu kehoka la glorify muno huyu aligongewa huyu aligonga huyu sijui nini what is your take on that like watu do you believe ati kugongewa ni constant sijui nini do you believe in that
nirarigana na mundu kama mtu ni wa kugonga ene ndoge mucenjia character ya mundu ndoge micejia okorwo mundu ni wa kugonga ni wa kugonga na ndoge katia ndoge cenjia mundu ucio koguo ni ra depend no ona he mutaru weri ona ngioka hana tuge if you kama huyu nikikuja ona ngioka hana muthuri wakwa ri no ndimurora uguo nyone unia hana kugutha ona nange kiguthari na no mana ka mentality ka it won't hurt as much but generation ino turiri watu wanagongeana na kama vitu zinagongo wacha zigongo ni generation.
So it's okay, do you believe like it is okay? I don't mami normalize it ma akiuga atiriri hata akienda gongane huko ama igongo ama nini bado ni wangu, atabaki tu na wangu, ni wangu.
It is not okay. The fact remains it's not okay. But the generation we are in makes it okay. So it is okay.
Tuna flow nayo.
Because nakegwire a time to come kugonga hata itakuwa si kama hata kitu. By the way ni ginya hado gona riri. Ado marekinyaga hado unaoleka kuma mtu miaka 2 alafu unamtoka anachukuliwa na mwingine it will be like a renew contract. Kwa hivyo the generation we are having hakuna kitu inatushtua sana.
Yes. Sasa I have another more like a controversial question.
Yes, okay.
Along the same lines. Ni ugwikora uhetwo scene ona no wito in a big movie. He scene so tangikata riu uheo a sex scene wiru atiriri you'll be in this scene ni witigira kiri andu mekuona kana urona atia ungiurio ri ungiheo ta riu Netflix moke muge atiriri tuna need kufanya movie moja kama ya Kiswahili wewe versatile no wike gina githuri na githungu wikore we a character in that movie and that character is maybe a prostitute, maybe that character is a perceived whole for lack of a better word. No thake kiriata kiu
tawaboiri no jigweruo no ta actor ni nguthi tondu ni what are they bringing on the table? An actor hatire kindu atangihota gwika na neke ndige kuga an actor ni ona we tigari gwitua thaisi wiru atiriri wina bata na mbia wina bata ta na mbeca ta cigana uguo
thaisi thaisi uginengera ngiri de sawa
to
Duma
asa tuge ni pesa ngapi unaweza taka kushika na mkono wako
sahi sasa inataka kushika kama mita kinde hivi
etiguo wiru atiriri turenda woe Godofia omuraga tukuhe mita 20
acha how digeka ugo
ndugwika eno ni watuhenia
mae
eno ni gwika
ugicionaga u nie ni gwika.
Let me give you an example. Mamu wanyu, sorry to say, na cancer. You are the breadwinner. Mwina shitashana ta mugwanja and maundu mothe ni we imelalia na mamu wanyu ri ukerwa atiriri if nduguteithia mamu wanyu she's gonna lose it within 2 days. Na ni wero no riri ungihota kuraga Godofia ri nitugukuhe milioni
12 na ni ona ndona Godofia ona ndari ahitiria
asa ni unjuwe ugo twamenyana ni komenya ni unjuwe
ndari ahitiria no he mundu urenda njuragane reke mamu akue
muciari ugukwete merikenda
ni ndureke akue angiagikua anyway riu ndakuraga niki
asa milioni gifawe no hote kumusave
ana no joe mbeca icio ndimutware thibitari ona akue bado riu kiria ndiruga ni atiriri basically no jero njike kindu kingigeka ni nyona life ya mundu ngao ndimioete uguo tondu nie sorry to say ona heri mwendete tukigua ndaregete kuraga nguku ndegete kuraga nguku niona koguo ni nditigirite muno kuona kindu gikilose moyo hau ni nditigirite kuraga no hinya no ingirwa atiriri oya mbeca icio transfer fagio twale na ku no joy no gerie ku risk kaundu ta kau
no ni ngeheo gibao na ndigegociria meri
kuraga
ogwo tu
ukoro ukuga wale character ini
ndirete kichwa wapi
ukuga wale character ini no witete na wale character
ti horo wa character ado generation dakwira tiriri right now people are faking it. Trust me, even in that condition and okoro he uri okuite mamu wanyu for me I love my mom so much if no jero uraga fulani kana I have to choose between my friend and my mom. Yo, ni bullets ni ngapi? Uwa rafiki wacha mama yako na maisha yaendelee.
Do you think your mom, do you think kuna mahali mtu agikinya hado ogenona yo twetaga take a bullet for someone? Do you think in offered the same situation okay kurathoma mwanyu no arugame mbere ya kura arathoe?
Ai, my mom no aratho. Yeah, iyo I'm certain.
Jona hauta nyona ari mwe tando mahenanagia hau tondu nie niguo nditigirite mucingari.
Mamu anyu we no hakuhenie mamu anyu. No nie mamu itu ri. My mom can.
No ikuruga.
We have been into situations where she has, so I know she can.
Okay.
Tondu no ni agikarite maisa maingi kungira.
Yeu gatire.
Ona no twaranirie tumwire matha wina miaka igana. Urakenda gwikara ingene.
Anyway, another situation. He danger serious yukaga na riri tuge. Acting such scenes taru tukukaga a sex scene unginegerwo. He dangers na disadvantages yukaga nayo.
Ukire mundu atikana a disadvantage. Ona tikiuria kiu ni aja. Yes, there are disadvantages that come with it. Tondu weri tereke joke hariwe. No hariwe.
Oyo tago Jerry, my co-host.
Ni co-host tu. Co-host yo wanyu ri. You find yourself in a situation. Utagoga. Mwelele haha igwe.
We. Gukoro on record ketuge atiriri.
Magatira kuona.
Okay, matiranyona. Yaga mundu ni agakweherera rimwe.
Tiga kuganga. Ni ukugutha. Kugonga utafanya nini? Kugonga utafanya nini?
Usia ni murugamo wa godo.
Kugonga utafanya nini? Utagonga. So if you get yourself in such kind of scenarios, they are ogekora hekido getagwa attachment. One thing I do believe, let's get a deep kidogo. Sex is an act.
Yeah.
I hope it's not wrong to say that.
Yeah, it's not.
Sex is an act, and immediately there is sex. There is naitwaje? Mutashikana. You see, it's spiritual prayer.
Yeah.
So mutashikana. You don't want to tell me that thing is going to happen only on set.
Yeah.
There is something that appears to happen behind. So yes, if there are disadvantages and advantages, there are.
Haya. Again, nitukoretwo ngina tukiona in the Kikuyu industry ona andu taru nyenda gutumira. Me I believe kina wale walikuwa wa Bonfire Adventures. I believe they are Kikuyus or something. Are they?
I don't
know. Anyway, I don't know makoretwo makitigana. What is your take on public dating? Adolema dating on public, in public. Mako ni tomoi. What is your take? Would you date in public ukorwago nitoe waboi akoragwo noyo na ni wendete kumuiga muno social media ini maundu manyu mothe? What is your take on that?
It's a choice. Okorwo nenda gwikira mundu waku weka yeye niwe tioneki. So if you want to nekegwire either you're in public, either you're in private, either you're a feature, either you're not a feature, watu wanaachana. Atheni anene watu tu wanaachana. It's just that turogoreirie adwa ya anene. People out here watu wanaachana. Divorces are happening day in day out. Na ni ugothi okore mundu uyo agaretwo Kimani na Kimani mutimwe ginya social media. So it is happening. It's just that turametogeria muno because it's happening to content creators. Mtu kama unapenda yeye post yeye.
Wekelea hapo online. Eda guthia.
No, the best thing ni atiriri ona okorwo ni aguthie ri fata ni ariho.
Ni ariho. Ni ariho. Fata ni ariho.
Ni fata ni ariho.
Na wina evidence. Evidence iko kwa karatasi. Anyway, otukete tugikirikagiririo uguo ri. Kiuria kwa kia musho ni giki. Unless no kiurio kingi. What is your take on polygamy? Taru wewe na tondu nyonaga maundu ma taru gukorwo na kiria kando mpango wa kando ni uria matakoragwo mekirirwo muno ugatuika ati muthuri no ahikanie handu angi akorwo open makahab kumeka chini ya maji. Uhoro uyu na ngina Jerry no ariririe ri polygamy. What is your take on polygamy? Are men supposed to marry more than one wife?
I think for me I'll say men are never contented. Mkitaka kunipiga munipige. They're never contented. The reason is either you tulete polygamy ama tukose kuleta polygamy.
Wataifanya tu.
Kuenda wataenda. So well, here do faithful. But if I rate it with a percentage, maybe 1% Kenya, 1% and the 99% ni mbovu kabisa. So polygamy, onogerehe polygamy, toshoke kirikaniro-ini. Muhujia. There was this king. Alikuwa na how many concubines? Akona wake, akona concubines, na kuna wale anagonga.
Ayaga na 7,300.
You see? So, that was a king.
Ni muthamaki.
Aragika ugo tondu ni arathamaka. Riu ndukike andu ta inyuĩ tumuhe andu wawiri. You see? So I don't think a person kana ni no nyende kumenya Ngai ahutherire Rome kana clay soil kana sand soil kumumba inyuĩ.
Tondu ndoro itu ni tofauti.
Ndio ni tugeragia gukinderia tondu anga tutiombirwo na whatever mombirwo na. But
ndoro itu ni tofauti.
Ni tofauti.
Ni akirwo muno.
So for me, polygamy hata ikiwekwa huyo mtu bado atafanya nini?
Ataenda.
Huyo mtu bado ataenda.
Yeah. Anyway, na kindu kingi kandi ukomekore.
Tugicoka hau ha acting tukirikiriria. Riria uranio script ri ni ukoraga hena andu maybe slow learners na kwina fast learner. Mundu uyu angenyita atia script ino nigetha amithoma na ihenya, tuge ni mundu urendekana na ihenya na role ino no nginya ithakwo. Na hena mundu tuge ye ni ewe ni slow learner, ye ni oyi ngikanyita haha ri kana guthiaga atia riria uranio script.
Well, I don't know tofauti ugo uga hair fast learner, hair slow learner. Sorry, but kidu igira slow learner ni ati if you know you have a duration maybe of 2 days, shinda ukisoma your script nigwe hote gwika atia ikuigire. If you are a fast learner, taru ni he script igihe ugo nyone ni pages ithano nguthi kumithomera ku. If I am busy, nguthi kumithomera ku na nigwika atia na nigumenyita. But there is a person no muhaka tide usiku mzima. Okoro wewe that is you. Then take time kumithoma.
Wow. Thank you.
Nidakena muno this conversation niguciage tugukinya ngina haha.
Stop.
Kuhinguka nitwathie muno na twathie na flow twakena muno niguka guku gwitu ukage kaingi no tukwire ukage kaingi ndugakorwo ureke let's be the first of many niguo tugaga first of many iyo ko ni muthenya waku wa mbere guka maita maria maingi muno guka unaona twakena muno actually this has been the best interview ni ndakena muno kwaria nawe.
Wega ni
Jerry tuhe hori
weru wakwa wanjira njigwe hau niho tuwikirira gaturumo kibindi giki gitu nie ni ndanyita we wanyita keni ndanyita ati ndugana kwe ngoro na ndukano yone ati ka urahinyiririka muno ni amu kiu wenda gwika no wike it's about what you tell your mind
mentality
no togo gwiraga menyagirira ngoro yaku mahinda mothe nie njitago Jerry wa Ndungu
na ningeto muni wa Mwangi Duke from Kiambu twagikena muno gukorwo nau
na Godofia
Godofia wa dada Sara na twarikiriria tuonane gibindi kiu kingi.
Adios.